Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Hi guys!
So here we are again in our next video. So we will have our video tutorial this time about PEMDAS. So P stands for parentheses, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So those are the meaning of PEMDAS. So when you were in grade 4, we only discussed MDAS. But here in grade 5, we will include now the P, which is the parenthesis or the group sign. So this time we will group operations. Who will be the first one to solve first? Okay, so let's start with an example. So for example, we have 2 times 4 plus 8 minus 6. Our rule here is that you have to follow the Pemdas or the order of Pemdas. You have to start with P. Then, if there's no P, then we will move forward to M, which is the multiplication. Now, from our expression given, multiplication is present. As you can see, we have multiplication here. Therefore, we will solve first the 2 times 4, that will be 8. What will happen to the rest, to this one? So we will just copy the remaining numbers and operations. So plus 8 minus 6. Now, same thing. We have to follow the order of PEMDAS. So we're done with M. Do we have division in our expression or the remaining expression? No. So because there is no division, then let's proceed to addition. So do we have addition in our expression? This one, we will focus on the simplified expression. So we have addition. So we will start with the addition. We will solve first the addition. So 8 plus 8, that will be 16. And what will happen to minus 6? We will just copy minus 6. Now, the last step in PEMDAS is that you have to simplify the given expression. So, 16 minus 6, that will be 10. And 10 will be our final answer. Let's have another example. For example, we have here the quantity of 20 divided by 4 times 2 times 4. So, according to PEMDAS, we will start with the parenthesis now, because in our given expression, we have here the parenthesis. Therefore, we will solve first the parenthesis. But inside the parenthesis, we have to still follow the PEMDAS order. Okay, but there is a special rule that if in the given expression the division and multiplication are present, therefore you have to solve starting from left to right. So you have to solve from left to right. Now in the parenthesis, we will solve first the 20 divided by 4, and that is 5. Now what will happen to the rest? Still, we will copy the remaining operations and numbers. Now we're done with dividing 20 by 4. Now I know you are confused why we start with division even though the PEMDAS order starts with multiplication. Because according to the rule, as we all know, that multiplication and division are always partner, and addition and subtraction are also partner. So if the two of them are present in a given expression, no matter who comes first, you have to solve from left to right. if multiplication and division are given. So let's proceed. So we still have the parentheses. Therefore, we will solve first the value inside the parentheses. So we have 5 times 2 and that is 10. No need to copy the parentheses. If we already simplify the expression inside the parentheses, all we just have to copy is the number that is remain outside the parentheses. So we are remain with times 4. And our last step is to simplify our answer. So 10 times 4, that will be 40. So that will be our final answer. Now, let us have an example that addition and subtraction is given in the expression. Now, for example, we have 20 minus 5 plus the quantity of 6 divided by 3. Now, according to Pemdas rule or the Pemdas order, we have to start with the parentheses. So, we solve first the value inside the parentheses. We have 6 divided by 3. The answer is 2. Now, what will happen to the rest? Even though they are at the left side, we will still copy the remaining operation and numbers. So we have 20 minus 5 plus 2. No need to copy the parentheses because we already simplify the expression inside the parentheses. So next one, we are left with subtraction and addition operations. So because we are left with subtraction and addition, according to the hidden rule or according to the rule of Pemdas, if addition and subtraction are given in the expression, we have to solve first from the left going to the right, no matter who comes first. So even though subtraction comes first than addition, then we will start to solve with subtraction. Okay, now 20 minus 5, that will be 15. And just copy the remaining operation and number. So we are left with plus 2. Then simplify your answer. So that will be 17. And that's our final answer. Okay, I have here 3 exercises that we need to simplify and to find the simplest answer for the given expression. So let us start with number 1. So in number 1, we have here the quantity of 20 divided by 4 plus the quantity of 6 times 9 minus 25. So according to PEMDAS, we have to start solving first the parentheses. But because we have 2 parentheses given, then you can choose which of the 2 you want to start with. But if you are already good in PEMDAS, you can answer them both at the same time. So because we are still learning PEMDAS, let us answer them one by one. So let us start first with 20 divided by 4, that is 5. Now what will happen to the rest? We will just copy the remaining operation and numbers. No need to write the parentheses for 5 because we already simplified the answer. Now the remaining parenthesis is the 6 times 9. So 6 times 9, that will be 54. Now what will happen to the rest? Just copy. Now next, we are left with the operation addition and subtraction. So according to the rule that if the remaining operation is subtraction and addition, we have to solve from left to right. So we start with the 5 plus 54, that will be 59, and just copy the remaining operation and number minus 25. Now simplify your answer. 59 minus 25, that will be 34. And our final answer is 34. How about number 2? In number 2, we have the 38 plus the quantity of 8 divided by 2 plus 5 minus 6. Now, according to Pemdas again, we have to start with the parenthesis. But inside the parenthesis, we have to follow the PEMDAS order. So let us start with the 8 divided by 2. That will be 4. Still, you need to copy the parenthesis because we still have the second operation, and just copy the rest, the remaining numbers and operations. Now we still have parentheses in our given, so let us simplify it. 4 plus 5, that will be 9. And what will happen to the rest? Just copy. Next, we are now remain with addition and subtraction. So who among the two operation are we going to solve first? Very good. We have to solve first the addition, because addition is on the left side and subtraction is on the right side. So solve first. 38 plus 9, that will be 47. And what will happen to minus 6? Just copy it. Now simplify your answer. 47 minus 6, that will be 41. And that is our final answer. How about number 3? We have here the 90 divided by 9 times 2 times 2 divided by 4. Now again, according to PEMDAS, you have to solve first the value inside the parenthesis. We have here 2 times 2. That will be 4. No need to copy the parenthesis. So just copy the remaining numbers and operations. Okay, next. So we are remained with the operations division, multiplication, and division. So because we are remained with division and multiplication, now according to the rule that if division and multiplication are present in the expression, you have to solve from left to right. So we will start with 90 divided by 9. That will be 10. Now what will happen to the rest? Just copy it. So times 4 divided by 4. Now we are still remain with multiplication and division. So still, because they are partners, and according to the rule, if multiplication and division is present in the given expression, we will solve first from left to right. So we will start with 10 times 4, that will be 40, and just copy the divided by 4. Now simplify your answer. That will be our last step. Simplify your answer. That will be 10. So our final answer is 10. I hope you like our video tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you will always be updated to my next video. See you again in our next video tutorial. Bye!